Eyebrow threading. It's a beauty ritual as old as time, yet as relevant as ever. This ancient technique, originating in South Asia and the Middle East, has been passed down through generations. For centuries, women have relied on this method to perfect their eyebrows and enhance their natural beauty. Today, eyebrow threading enjoys global popularity, captivating hearts from New York to New Delhi. It's a testament to its enduring appeal and effectiveness. The allure of eyebrow threading lies in its simplicity and precision. Using just a thin, twisted thread, skilled practitioners can remove even the finest hairs with remarkable accuracy. This technique allows for greater control over the shape of the eyebrows, resulting in beautifully sculpted arches that frame the face. Unlike other hair removal methods, threading doesn't involve hot wax or harsh chemicals, making it a gentle and natural alternative. Threading might seem like a mystery to the uninitiated. However, the process is quite simple, though it requires a skilled hand. The practitioner takes a thin cotton thread and twists it. This forms a loop, which they then glide over the skin. The twisted portion of the thread traps the hairs, effectively plucking them out from the root. This technique allows for precise hair removal, shaping the eyebrows with remarkable detail. The speed and rhythm of the thread manipulation are crucial for effective hair removal. A skilled practitioner can remove multiple hairs simultaneously, making the process relatively quick. The sensation is often described as a slight tingling or plucking, but it is generally well tolerated. Many women find threading less painful than waxing, especially those with sensitive skin. In the realm of eyebrow shaping, threading stands out as a superior choice. Compared to waxing and tweezing, threading offers unparalleled precision and gentleness. Waxing, while effective, can sometimes lead to burns or skin irritation, especially for those with sensitive skin. Threading, on the other hand, is a gentler alternative, minimizing the risk of such reactions. Tweezing, though a viable option for at-home maintenance, lacks the precision of threading. It can be time-consuming and often results in uneven brows. Threading, with its ability to remove even the finest hairs, ensures clean lines and perfectly sculpted arches. This makes it the ideal choice for achieving those coveted, well-defined eyebrows. Why is eyebrow threading so popular? The answer lies in its numerous benefits. Firstly, the precision threading offers is unmatched. It allows for intricate brow shaping, creating arches that perfectly complement one's facial features. This level of detail is difficult to achieve with other hair removal methods. Secondly, threading is a gentle hair removal method. Unlike waxing, it doesn't involve hot wax or harsh chemicals, making it suitable for even the most sensitive skin. This is a major draw for women who experience irritation or breakouts from other hair removal techniques. Thirdly, threading is a relatively long-lasting method. The hair is removed from the root, resulting in slower regrowth. This means fewer trips to the salon and longer-lasting results. For women constantly on the go, this is a major advantage.